I, Wilbur T. Weasel, will prove I'm the fastest mechanic in town in my turbo-powered monster truck.
It's okay, Tilly. We don't need a turbo engine to win. You've never let me down.
Right, Gecko. The race starts when the light turns green. Ready? Steady? Go!
Go, Tilly tow truck.
I'm looking forward to getting my shiny winner's medal. It'll match my shiny watch.
That's it, Tilly. Nice and steady.
Activate turbo power.
Can't stop! We're racing to the rescue!
Oh, we're sinking. Oh, help!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll get you out of there fast.
I suppose you did win fair and square, but next time I'll be the winner. Oh.
Race back for more fun at Gecko's Garage. Bye!
Hello, everyone. Eric the Excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage. Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash! I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started. got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done? Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gecko's garage. See you all soon. Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! Where's all this mess come from? Oh, Mr. Weasel, are you okay?
I made Vicky the fastest ice cream truck in the world, but she jetted off before I could have an ice cream.
We have to stop Vicky before she causes any more damage. Here she comes. Ready, Blue? Blue, quick, hit the off button. Oh, phew! Well done, Blue.
I still haven't had my ice cream. Oh!
Oh!
I hate rockets.
Come on, Mechanicals. Let's go and check he's okay. See you again soon. Bye!
Oh, hey there, everyone. Vicky, the ice cream truck, is in for her repairs. We're just doing a few finishing touches. Thanks, Yellow. Could I please have a screwdriver? Careful, Mechanicals. That pipe is full of ice-cold air. It's how Vicky freezes her ice cream. Yellow! Don't touch that button! Phew. Thanks, Mechanicals. You saved me. Now, let's finish fixing Vicky. Thanks, Vicky. Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Today we're having a garage sale where we offer items we no longer need to others who might want to use them. Like this engine belt.
Garage sale? Junk sale, more like? Hey, this isn't junk. Or this.
Nothing here is junk, Mr. Weasel. Everything can be reused. This belt can help turn the parts of an engine. Would you like it?
Really? I mean, yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, Molly, what's the matter? Your dino vanished while you were playing with this teddy. Don't worry, we'll find it. Nuts and bolts! Sly must have thought your dino was in the sail. I'll follow Mr. Weasel and Sly. You wait. Here. Molly, slow down! You might damage your engine by going too fast. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. We need to follow her.
Look, Sly, it seems Molly wants to overtake, but no one overtakes Wilbur T. Weasel.
What happened? Is everyone okay?
We are? But what's wrong with Molly?
Spinning screwdrivers! Molly's engine belt has broken. But Mr. Weasel, you have a spare engine belt, remember?
Oh, yes. Here it is.
Thanks. We'll fix you up in no time, Molly. What tool do I need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we have to loosen this cog to release the old broken belt. Now loop the new belt around the engine so it can turn the moving parts. There! Ready to go, Molly. Sorry, Sly. Molly's dino wasn't in the sale. Could she have it back, please?
Oh.
To Today we learnt that friends who care are your friends who like to share. Goodbye, everyone.